After pickle radish dry shrimp, we add water. So you guys, when you cook, if not sure about the instruction, don't do too high heat. I'm gonna walk back and forward and help to remind you the instruction. If you make it high later, when you do the oil will splash, yeah? And the one you have, aluminum wok, it gets hot very fast. Mix them well, yeah? Done this before. Good teamwork. Basically, it's easy to make this. In my recipe book, cashew nut, holy basil, ginger, pad thai, right, pad krapao, sweet and sour, if you like sweet and sour. Sometimes people come to my cooking class and they talk, why is not the same like in the restaurant? Like, I think it's missing something. And I didn't say like, you see the difference? Wow, yeah, you see?
Sugar,
Different.
yeah. More sweet, more sour.
Do you want to taste it?
What do you think?
Should it be like that or?
I think you need more salt.
Oh, okay. I did a little bit more. Okay, what I'm just thinking about that is that
clean
put a little bit.
Like the sweet, the spicy, okay, the sour, but need more salt. You try again. Now, chicken now. Don't let it burn. Noodle, high heat. Noodle. Yeah, keep moving. This one, don't rush. This is you can keep moving, but don't take it out yet. Because if you make cashew nut on high heat, it's brown but not crispy inside.
Okay.
Sauce and water, noodle, pickle radish dry shrimp, higher heat. Take it out. Did you take it out?
Okay.
Oh no, oh this one. Sorry, that was cashew nut, you're right.
Okay.
Okay, now.
I don't want it to burn.
You want burn. Mix. Put it down. We make video, we make green curry and Madang curry. Okay, so we let it boil. Yes. I'm gonna eat with rice. If you don't like spicy, it will be a little hot for you. Very mild, tasty. You like it?
Very good.
Yeah.
Little
Spicy?
got the slice.
Yeah, we put it in the bowl. Put the basil in. This eggplant, I'll eat them funny slice.